What's up guys, so I'm back with another video. So today I'll be looking at Shapeshift OS. So basically Shapeshift OS is one of the most customized OSs I've ever seen in a long time. When I look back at Havoc and Lineage OS, this one tops all of those and it contains way more features. So we're just looking at, first we'll just look at the normal terrible features you get in every GSI you flash. So let's quickly look, okay, so next let's look at the features of Shapeshift OS. So as you can see, there's tons of new features. So let's check the status bar. As you can see, there's so many settings to choose from. You customize it on you like. If you want to add the battery bar, you can. I prefer to be off. You can turn on the real light icon and turn it off. 4G icon instead of the VTE icon. The clock settings, you can turn off the clock. You can show the settings for a more cleaner look. Okay, now let's check out the quick settings. The quick settings also have many features. As I showed you, you guys may have noticed before, the navigation notification bar has this blur transparent look on it, which is from Android 11, so it looks really nice to be getting an Android 10 GSI. As you can see, you can change it to make it transparent. But again, I think it looks better when it's solid. So I'm going to keep return it back. So UI tells me